Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hello. Let me see. Let's see. Looks okay. What are you guys doing? Anyways, Mr. Clark, good morning. Hello, Paul. Hey, good morning, Jericho. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Jason. Good morning. Good morning to you as well. Virus and Thrust. Good morning, Grim. Good morning, Patricia. Good morning, Jay. Other Jay. Shima, good morning. Happy Tuesday as well. Tesh, good morning. Hello. Good morning, Regina. Lefty, good morning. Bodhi, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hopefully you guys had a good long weekend, well rested and ready to go. I like how the market looks this morning. Lots of opportunities. And let me get some music going and then we should be good to go. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Anyways, if you missed the class over the weekend, guys, with Paul, make sure you take some time at some point today and watch it. Alrighty. Really good classes, especially if you're struggling with like SEC filings and dilution and mergers and stock splits and things like that. We did a class, mostly Paul, right? So over the weekend, alrighty, take some time and watch that video. It's going to be really helpful. Maybe I'll post a link at the end of the stream or something like that. Make sure you again. It's nice to understand, when you're playing with something, especially a momentum stock, like what could potentially happen, right? Ryan, good morning. Grant, good morning. Yogi, are you back? Back from vacay, ready for monies? Let's go, Yogi. Yogi, I know you had a wonderful time, so let's make the monies back, please, and thank you. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning. I almost want to do a thing where like I was thinking about this over the weekend, but also like YouTube kind of suggested it. Where we gift like someone that's not a member already, like we give them like a month or something. Someone like Lizzie that's always watching and stuff like that. Like just examples, right? Kaiser, good morning. Hello. By the way, Friday's stream was you like the idea, right? Like we gift out like monthly memberships, legend monthly memberships, so people can come into Discord and see what they're missing out on. Um, Yeah. So at least my YouTube call was a bit productive. If you missed the Friday Discord stream, it was really nice. It was very nice. It was, community. It was bonding. Yeah. Jason, hey CM, good morning. It will be great, Kat. We can do that then. Give me the Legends membership, Mohammed. I know, right? Anyways, again, good morning. The markets are gapping up to brand new all-time highs this morning. The S&P, that is, right? So usually when we say the markets are gapping up to brand new all-time highs, we're usually referring to the S&P. But then there obviously a whole bunch of stocks that go with that, right? So yeah, guys, we're back to all-time highs, right? A few weeks ago, everybody was panicking, right? Buy the dipskis. Dollar cost average, long-term plays, right? If you bought NVDA, AMD, all of that stuff, guess what? You're smiling right now. Alrighty. So in terms of momentum stocks, guys, let me refresh the list really quickly. Here's a list of stocks that are cooking this morning. Again, don't really need to go too much into detail with these names specifically because they've all been mentioned in Discord, right? PRFX had news. Not really going to go over the news, but it's been posted already. So PRFX had some news. SLDB had some news as well. And then I think the other one that had news was KWE, right? And then CGBS. But that's about it in terms of like the top four at least, the top five. Quick math. Alrighty. So yeah. So these are some of the names we're going to be paying attention to today. Alrighty. Let me just go through some of the names again. If you missed SRM, that's why you need to become a member, right? Grim was spamming this one on Friday on that group call. And it was also posted in the Signal channel in Discord, right? So um, as a potential swing play, right? Grim mentioned that so many times in that channel. He just kept buying the dipskis and buying the dipskis as a swing play. So from that price to where we're sitting at now, pretty good swing, right? So again, if you missed out on stuff like that, you should probably be joining us in Discord. Alrighty. So again, this is an example, right? So again, we were adding this thing in the 60s, in the low 60s, right? SRM. So and here we are. I think the highest we've been so far this morning is $1.05, right? So $1.05. The question now is, can we find a way to consolidate above the 200 here and pop at the open? So obviously we're going to be paying attention to this one as potential scalpy. I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. There you go. So SRM, we're going to be paying attention to. The other one that's done really well this morning, again, AG has been spamming this one as well. PRFX, right? So that looks good. That looks really, really good. They had news this morning, so the stock has obviously done well. Your next resistance for this one, obviously, is that double top, right? So at some point, this thing needs to break above $5.40 if it wants to keep going. Alrighty, so we're going to be paying attention to that one. Again, some of these names will dip at the open, consolidate, and then go. So there's nothing wrong with that, right? So in terms of like the news they actually had, it's something to do with the acquiring an AI-driven solar analytic platform. Blah 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 blah. What does that mean? We don't really care, do we? No. So yeah, but we will pay attention to it though, right? So we're going to be looking at that. KWE is another one that looks really interesting as well, right? Key West, K West, K West, Kanye West, Kanye West. Anyways, this one has a lot of resistance right between 78 cents and 80 cents. So it needs to break above that level if it wants to go. If it is dipping at some point though into the open, um, look for 60 cents ish, right? So we can hold that the bottom of the VWAP, the 200 and the demand zone close to 60 cents. That would be a good level, right? And then again, obviously your next resistance, 78 to 80 cents. Alrighty. So we're going to be paying attention to that one. PRPH, potential swing play. If you're waiting for dips on this one, I think you're looking for like between 35 and 30 cents, 35 and 32. Alrighty. So this one is more of a swing play, PRPH. So we will keep an eye on that one. Yi mentioned this one in Discord as well, RSLS. I think they have a merge or something like that coming up. Anyways, I'm not quite sure what the catalyst is for this one. It is down 50% this morning, but I think that's part of the reason why it's being looked at, especially coming off like $1 after a massive dip. So let's see if it can stay above that $1. Okay, so but again, like Grib mentioned in Discord, I like PRPH more than the other one as a potential swing play. Our SLDB is the top gainer for now. I think if is it still the top gainer? Yeah, it still is. Right. You can clearly see though that it's really stalled at like 780. Right. People are looking at other things that are the prices are a little bit more appealing. Right. So this one's just stalled. So if it wants to go, it needs to clear $8. Alrighty, and then maybe if it gives us a dip, then we can go from there. But we'll keep an eye on that as well when the market opens. EFOI just got slapped into the open there, so let's see what happens. HCTI is holding that 200 EMA really nicely, Ryan, but it needs to break above 84 cents where the VWAP is sitting at. But it does look good though, right? It's holding that 200 really nicely. So if it can stay above it, that'd be a good thing. Alrighty, cool. Yeah, Key West looks like it wants to go, right? Again, 78 to 80 cents Bodhi is your next resistance. Alrighty, so it looks good. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Share the link as well if you want to. All the fun stuff. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. And question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite stock going into the open? What is your favorite stock going into the open? Ayo, Josh. Good morning. Good morning. PRFX, okay. CETX, okay. I'll put that one up as well. CETS, TX. What's with all these names that all have X's at the end of at the end? PRFX, CETX. I haven't looked at that one yet this morning. It just popped here. That's why. So maybe a dipski there and then a break above 290 grim and then boom skis because you're in it. Yeah, that's okay. So HCTI for you. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. In terms of like PRFX, again, same resistance for $5.40 and then a bit of support at $4.70. Alrighty. Good morning, Dan. Good morning. So it looks like we're dipping a bit on the S&P here. A bit of a dip ski. What's NVIDIA at? I'll come back to SPY here. I just want to look. So NVIDIA's at 141, guys, right? So, I mean, when NVIDIA was sitting on 113, that was a bit of a steal, wasn't it? Right? So if you bought the dip skis there, smiling. What's AMD doing here? AMD's at 114. Yeah, AMD should be at like 120 by now, huh? Right? You know what I mean? Come on, AMD. Come on. Come on. Let me look at the earnings calendar really quickly here. I don't think there's anything major happening today. No, nothing. Meh. Baidu reports tomorrow morning. Oxy reports tomorrow. Actually, no, today's Tuesday. So Baidu reported already, and then so Oxy reports tonight, and Wednesday. Kavana reports Wednesday night. La 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 la. Walmart reports Thursday morning. Thursday morning. Okay, Baba reports Thursday morning as well, so it looks like a China kind of week. Blah 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 blah. So nothing like super crazy, right? Nothing super crazy. Okay, let me move on. So Key West is breaking above the that 78 to 80 cents. So that's looking good. Looking good. Hopefully Captain is still in that position. Steph Layuna position. Good morning, Luna. Good morning, good morning. So we have 7 minutes. Okay, so let's do the goal. Let's do the goal. Make sure my broker is good to go as well. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, it's losing volume only because we're approaching the market open though, right? So keep that in mind. You have a gut feeling that it's the one. For now, it's holding 470. So as long as it stays above 470, and then we should be okay. So Robert, you have 2,000 shares, 67 cents. Do you think it should hold into? If you should hold into the open. So you have 2,000 shares, which is perfect. And so 67 cents, you said. I mean, that's a really nice entry price. Right? You got in all the way almost at the bottoms there, the beginning of the curl. I think just the fact that the market open is usually so much chaos, right? A lot of selling, a lot of buying, right? I would almost say like get rid of half of it, right? At least we're taking, yeah, exactly, there you go. So Mohammed, right? So sell 1,000 and then see what happens with the other 1,000, right? Secure some monies. Your goal is to make money, so already your goal is to protect what you have, not think of the future, because you have no idea what's gonna happen. Alrighty. So yeah. Yeah, no, PRFX is looking okay going into the open. Doesn't mean we're not gonna sell off though. I wish I could trade in gut feelings, yeah. I wish I could, rub a crystal ball and then show me the name of the day, the one name to just focus on. Just show me the price. Show me the price that it's gonna end the day at. That's it. Pick one stock, show me the closing price of the day. We're not asking for too much, right? Uh yeah. That's okay, Robert. I don't know. You might be using like I don't know why it does that. Yeah. It is okay. I mean, it does look good for now, and it has had that momentum coming into the open. So yeah, it looks good, right? And the chart looks really, really predictable. So, like I said earlier, as long as we stay above that 470, it should be okay. The only thing you're gonna have to deal with is, do people take some profits at the open, and if they do, how low do we go? Alrighty, how low do we go? And dump into it, Grim. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So it is curling up that demand zone, which is perfect. So that looks good going into the open, guys. These two again, RSLS, and then PRPH. These are more for swing plays. We're just gonna keep them off for now. KWE looks okay. It is kind of stalling at 84 cents going into the open, so just be a little bit careful there. CETX, that's the one Grim mentioned. So it dipped to the almost to the 20 in the view out there, and it's kind of curling. So it needs to break above that 280, 290, and then boom skis. Send it. Kaiser, yeah. This one looks done, doesn't it? SLDP. It is holding the 200. So if it can dip to like 620-ish and curl, that'd be okay, right? So we'll keep that one on watch just for now. And then SRM is holding the 200 EMA. So let's see if this one pops at the open as well. Not sure why I have AMD on here. Let me pull up the S&P again. Looks like we're still dipping. Yeah, my goodness, damn. These are some nasty dips into the open here for SPY. What the hell is going on? Shish. My goodness. Okay. I don't see any news. So let's see what happens here. No news. PTPI with an offering. Was that coming, Paul? PTPI. That one ran last week, right? So don't send SPY to zero, please, Ryan. Otherwise, we would all be crying. Crying. He said he's talking. He's taking over Ukraine. Yeah, don't they have a chat at some point this week? I think they do. I think they do. Yeah. Less than a minute to go, guys. 20 seconds, and then we're back to chaos. Back to the chaos. So I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna leave it on PRFX for now, because this is probably the favorite name going into the open. Yeah, 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 yep. Again, SRM does look good, right? But let's see if we can get a breakout above 540 here for PRFX. If not, dip back to 470. Here's the market open. Here is the market open. Come on, give us something. Give us a dip or give us a breakout. Is it bouncing, Bill? Okay. I was hoping it would stay above that support, but clearly broke below. Yeah, this is looking like we're there. We go. Come on, break it and hold it. So $5.40. That's the third time we've tested the level now, and it's still acting as resistance, right? So, that shouldn't be a massive surprise. And then here comes that 470 dip, right? Typical market open price action, right? Typical. This is why until something breaks and stays above it, you don't want to be jumping in. Otherwise, you get scammed, right? Because you would have lost like 50 cents just like that. So it's holding the bottom of the range. It's failing at the top of the range. So if we can consolidate at the bottom, perfect, right? That gives you an opportunity. Perfect. Alrighty. SRM looks amazing, right? So holding that 200 EMA and then that 95. Was it 95 last week, Grim, on Friday? Was that the same resistance? No, I think that level was 85. Yeah, it was 85, 84. So it looks like that's a brand new level at 90. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, brand new level. KWE is dipping a bit. This one dipped and held that 620 we talked about, right? SLDB. So that 200 EMA, right? So perfect retest of the 200 right there. And now it's cooking back up. Let's see what it does. Alrighty. I like how TradingView has a nice little tool now. It's almost like TradingView is watching some live streams, and they're like, how can we make your life easier? They're making it way nicer, which is good. So, yeah. Anyways, a bit of a supply zone at 705 here for SLDP. Alrighty. Again, we talked about that 470 for PRFX. It needs to consolidate at this 470. Alrighty, and if it can, then that's perfect. So right around this price is what we need to see that thing hold above. When we get to prices like this, you always want to see more consolidation, but at the same time, it's not always a good thing. Right. So we're holding 470 for now, which is good. Grenade. Yeah, it went back to that supply zone and then got slapped. Supply. Okay, back to the other one. We're looking way better on PRFX, especially off that support. Is anybody buying PRFX off that bottom level? Anybody buying off this demand zone, guys? 470-ish? Come on now, you can break the downtrend. You are, Bradley Archer? Yes. Yeah, we're just failing at the at that 510. So that's almost a position where you had to get rid of as soon as we hit the downtrend there, because then we came right back down. You got in at 480. Did anybody sell on the way back up? Okay, there we go. It looks like we're making brand new highs on KWE, guys. KWE, new highs of the day. And those candles are still closing above 470 for PRFX, which is okay, right? Just make sure that we stay above it if you're in a position. Cool. KWE is looking really good, though. They're probably going to halt it at some point here. If it keeps going like that. 92 pennies. You're looking for an entry, Khadija? Is what you're looking for? I'll take a look. I would take a look ski at some point here. Okay. Dan, someone said when a short person waves at you, it's called a microwave. Anyways. Okay. Don't laugh with him, virus. No laughing. Yeah, that's a very nice pop. So, $1. $1. Who was asking about that $2,000 position? Sell the other 1,000. Who was asking? So you should be nice and green in your position right now. Alrighty. So, and then PRFX is retesting the view up and closing above the view up. So this one clearly isn't quite done yet, right? As much as it dipped below 470, it's not quite done yet. PRFX. So still like this one. SRM retesting the bottom side of the view up in the demand zone, 82 cents. If they can consolidate, honestly, anywhere from like 80 to 85, I think that's a really good spot to consolidate at, just because we had so much resistance last week, right? Robert, that was you? Oh, yeah, perfect. You made $1,200. That's a really good scalp. There goes PRFX with a nice pop right off the VWAP. So that's perfect. So at least now we're trying to break above the uptrend. You can see that we're basically pushing to the same price and failing, right? Like we push above $5 and then it comes right back below. So this is the second candle that's pushed into that uptrend, into the downtrend in the supply area. So this candle needs to close above $5.10, and then we're ready to keep pushing. Alrighty, so $5.10 is what we need to close above, and then we can cook back to the highs of the day. That's car insurance money. Oh my goodness! If your car insurance is $1,200, you need to take the bus, Mohammed. You need to go to driving school. Unbelievable. So this looks promising still. Alrighty. KWE again, just be mindful around $1, right? Obviously, again, supply resistance, blah blah blah. And then SRM is looking really good with your next resistance still around 95 cents. Cool. That looks really good. Is anybody still holding the swing position for SRM? Anybody in the chat? Virus, it is. It is. So 1160 to 1182. Okay. Yeah, I like what SRM is doing. I like it. I think that's why Grim PRPH is appealing, right? Because it has that potential, that catalyst coming. That's always a good thing, right? Because we've had two plays now, like MGOL and SRM, that they had like catalysts coming in the next few days, and the market really liked that. So perfect. Perfect. Keep going. It just needs to find the base above 40 cents, PRPH, and then start cooking after that. Slacker. Anyways, $5.20 here for PRFX. Come on, just break out already. My goodness, who's holding it back? So the S&P, look at that. Slappity. That thing is about to go from green to red. Why is it though that like every time we hit all-time highs, the market always gets slapped? You could almost buy puts every time that happens, right? Could almost buy puts every time that happens. We hit all-time highs, you buy puts, the market gets slapped. So again, SRM, your next resistance is 95 cents. PRFX, you can clearly see that resistance, right? Like for some reason, we just don't want to break out yet. Alrighty. So make sure you are scalping and taking monies on the way up, please. KWE looks like it's going for $1 now. $1. $1. Mohammed. 99 cents, 102. Gonskis. No way. Is Palantir really at 124? Really? Damn. Yep. I mean, we said it last week too, though, right? Like that 125 price target was always going to be a magnet, a magnet. So you sold at 96 cents, Bodhi. Nice scalp, right? Nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with that. Some really good buying pressure coming in for KWE. Really, really good. 124. AMD's at 115 now. Virus. I like it. Let me take a look. I like it a lot, AMD. Oof. Ooh wee. Beautiful. Beautiful. do. 115. Do. La, 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 la. AMD. Um, 1 second. 130. Okay, perfect. You need a play, Mohammed. There goes nice pop. Actually, that thing popped to 44 cents, Grim. Did you see that? PRPH. Sheesh. Very nice. If you've made monies or you're still holding a KWE, type in yes in the chat, guys. Yeah, if you've made monies in this one, you're still in there, type in yes in the chat. Just short? No, not really interested in the short place. That's for that's for those plays are for Paul. So ask Paul. Do. Yeah, so this thing just needs to find a base above 40 cents. And then it should be good to go. KWE looks really good still. So $1.20 should be your next resistance without even looking at it, right? It's actually halted up, which we mentioned not too long ago, right? KWE is halted up from TK from 57 cents. Okay, very nice. Yep, 148% for KWE. Looking very, very good. Very, very good. Uh, okay, perfect. Perfect. Uh, and then what else? Did you get rid of the other one, Grim? CETX? Actually, let's leave it there. Perfect. Hello, Omega. Your stop loss hit? Okay. Yeah, no, that's okay. It's one of those things where, again, like, people really want to see consolidation or breakouts, especially at the open. So if it's not doing any of that, then and something else is cooking, it's just gonna take the attention away. So nothing wrong with that at all. Dang, SPY is super weak this morning. Maybe it's just filling the gap and then getting ready to push back up. Nicola with a bit of a pop. Not sure why, but it's popping a little bit. And then SRM is on fire again. So looking very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Woof. 9.99. Walmart prices. Walmart prices. Let's go. Gone skis. SRM. Gone. Yeah, it looked like it stayed above. Again, we talked about this level earlier, right? This 200 EMA at $6.20. It initially popped off it and then came back again, and then actually consolidated. So now you have a bit of a double top at like $7.10 line. Alrighty. So again, same bottom, same resistance, but a very nice bottom though, right? Still liking what PRPH is doing a lot. Your next resistance is right below 44 cents, and then 45 cents, and then every other penny after that, right? So that looks really good. AMD is dipping with the rest of the markets, not a huge surprise, but yeah, PRPH does look good. Cool. Let's leave it on SRM for now though, because yeah. Did you guys close your positions on SRM, or you're still holding some? Anybody still holding some? Beautiful. Beautiful. This is another reminder, guys, why it's important sometimes to give it a few minutes at the open, right? Because I think if we showed up at the market open, and some of you guys are tired of hearing this, right? But if we showed up at the market open and we were like, you know what, let's pick a name that we think is going to be the best name at the open, right? I think a lot of people would have said it's going to be PRPH, right? So, but it doesn't work like that, right? Sometimes you have to give it a few minutes at the open and then make your decision, right? Like, okay, maybe this one isn't quite breaking out yet. The volume isn't coming here, but KWE is breaking above, right? So, and again, this is something like it's a little known trick, right? That we've mentioned a few times. When you're watching stocks at the open, the ones that are gonna cook are the ones that are breaking above their resistance, right? Why? Because you have to understand like who you're playing with, right? You're playing with retail. Retail will buy anything at any price as long as it's breaking out. So when this stock is breaking above its previous resistance, everybody's like, oh, let's go then, right? Whereas when you're watching something that looks amazing, like PRPH, but it doesn't want to clear its stupid resistance, everybody's going to be looking at this like, okay, fine, well, let's just sit back and watch, right? People would rather FOMO than buy dipskis, right? So then you need to give them a reason to FOMO. And that reason to FOMO is clear the damn resistance, right? So clearly KWE broke above resistance, SRM broke above resistance, right? So different, same, different, same. Cool. PRFX again testing the highs of the day here. PRPH, right? PRPH looking good. Other than Grim and myself, anybody else holding PRPH in the chat? Got trading in the danger zone below the 200 EMA, praying to get out. Yeah, you are, Jacob. Yeah. That stuff is always going to be scary. That stuff is always going to be scary. Maybe what you need to remember as well, Jacob, is some stocks are just garbage, right? Ocean is just known to be a garbage stock. Okay, so this is looking very good at KWE. Very, very good. Carbon, okay. What's the high for now? 126? Yeah, 126. It would be nice to see this candle close above 120. Yep. Mohammed? Yep. Some stocks are just garbage. So again, yeah, $1.20 would be resistance for KWE. So it needs to, you should have held it. Yeah, maybe. It needs to close above $1.20 if it wants to keep pushing. Alrighty. $1.20. Damn, SPY is about to go from green to red. Sheesh. Yeah, crazy, isn't it? Hopefully, this is just a gap fill and then it turns around and recovers. But that's a pretty nasty sell off. It's a bit on the ridiculous side, a little bit ridiculous. So this is the first retest after the big run for KWE. So hopefully it stays above the 9. If not, just stay above $1. Shima, STAI. I like it. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. So here comes our $1 and or the 9 EMA retest. Okay. STAI. Yeah, it's halted down. It was halted down a few minutes ago. So, but again, it should be pretty obvious though, right, guys? Again, same resistance, $7.10 for SLDB. Hopefully, you sold this thing line if you're still if you were in it. Hopefully, you took your monies and ran at resistance. Take your monies and run. When are we gonna break out above this double pivot here for PRPH? PRPH. Okay. If that thing breaks about 50 cents, ooh, cue the FOMO. Cue the FOMO. Yeah, SPY with a bit of a pop there. Two. 7. Okay. You want another dip, Grim? Come on. Come on. I mean, if it wants to dip off a double top would be the level to dip. So let's see. Yeah, that was a really good pop on SPY there. So basically it filled the gap to 610 and then pop, which is good. Which is very, very good. It looks like we're retesting the breakout for SRM as well. SRM. Is PRFX doing anything yet? No, not really, right? Not really. Other than the fact that it's maybe consolidating between like 420 and $4, which might be a good spot. Other than that, nothing really. If it breaks below that, then you have a problem. The good thing again is, it's sitting above the 200. So this one might not be done yet, right? So maybe just keep this one in your, as long as we stay above that 200, right? So as long as we stay above this area, PRFX might still have some hope. And then PRPH, just give us the damn breakout. Just break and go. Break and go. Break and go. Leave Grim behind, please. Well, no, give Grim what he already has. Don't go back for more. Move the date of their peace talk to March 10th. Oh, what is he doing? How is he doing? Dan. Yeah, I mean, imagine. Oh yeah, Shima, that's looking really good. STAI. Congratulations, you took your gains already, though, right? Well done. Yup. I think they should have, like had peace talks a long time ago. All those lives, that have been lost. Can't really, whether you make peace now, can't really get those back. And then now you're gonna make peace. It is what it is, huh? Yeah, that looks very good, Shima. That thing held above the 9 EMA like the entire time too, and it's still pushing for new highs. But you sold that thing at 330 though, so it's not like you left a lot on the table. You might at some point, but yeah. Yeah. $3.50. Closer to that date to make and use it for their. Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see. I see, I see. Yeah, maybe you never know with these criminals. You never know. Do, 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 do. I don't know honestly. I don't know honestly, Lion. But I thought it was the Zelensky that tweeted that line, not Trump. Damn, STI is cooking there, Shima, on fire, cooking. Shish, my goodness. So that's the first time it's hitting a supply zone. $3.80. Very nice. Surprised they haven't halted it yet. He jumped back in. Why am I not surprised? Uh, yeah, yeah. Line. I think it's yeah. I think Dan said it was the other dude that tweeted that, not Trump. Ali says I got into SRM at 94 cents. Will it go up further? I hope so. For your sake, I hope it does. Um, I hope it does. Right, what are we at? So you're basically in at this price that it's at, right? So yeah, if we can stay above 90 cents, it should be okay. 90 cents, yeah. If we can stay above that, it should be okay. Again, Ali, right? The benefit of joining us in Discord is we were getting in close to 60 cents, right? You're getting it at 90 cents, 94 cents, right? So if you're not a member, cross your fingers and your toes, right? Friday was a really fun stream, right? We were looking at villages and getting into some swing plays and making monies and having fun. Friday was a lot of fun, right? So yeah. So again, Ali, become a member. Come join us in Discord. Stop slacking. Stop slacking. Brown is halted up. Why is it? Anyways, not brown. I don't know why I read that as brown, but exactly, Dan. Exactly. We were looking at villages, where everybody's from. So we looked at a village in Cameroon, we looked at a village in South Africa, we looked at a village in India, in Switzerland, in the States. Um, yeah, whole bunch of villages, it's community bonding. Yeah, cool. What's PRFX? PRFX really does look like it's consolidating, doesn't it? Like 420 to 410. I still think it needs to close above the 9 EMA though. Like it really needs to close above the 9 EMA. Also, again, we don't like that we're kind of creating lower highs, but it needs to close. If it doesn't close above that 9 EMA, don't think it's ready to go anywhere yet. So for now, we see what happens around this 200. Yeah, here comes a 200 test. The 200 test. So right above like 390. $3.90. Let's see what happened, Grim. It looked pretty nice, AK. Sure. Yeah, from the sky, because yeah, I know. Grim, the city village. So again, if we can stay above the that 200 EMA, that'll be okay for PRFX. Cool. Um, PRPH still looks fine to me. KWE, as long as we can consolidate above $1, that should be okay. STI clearly just failed in a supply zone, so let's see if we can dip and then go back for another breakout. SLDB DB is unhalted and making new lows unless it creates a double bottom at $6. Alrighty, so $6 double bottom. 90 cents is still holding for SRM, so that's okay. And SPY went up and then came all the way back down to retest that double bottom again. So let's see what happens. Grim, that's what you're talking about. Yeah, it needs to close above that 9 EMA, Grim, right? Or again, just stay above that 390. So, but it looks a bit interesting at this price though. Looks a bit interesting here. So let's see what happens. 415. Okay, I see what you're looking at. Yep. Yep. Let's see. Here comes that 390. Is these 390? PRPH again is looking really, really good. Righty. So that 45 cents was the level we mentioned earlier, right? And then 390 here for this one. Let's see, Grim. Let's see. Uh, there we go. Let's see what they can give us here, Grims. Find support. Find the base. That's a lot of weakness. Like it has almost like no buying pressure coming in. SPY's red for the day. Shush. I'm quite surprised it's done that, Quite surprised it's done that. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Boom skis. There's 50 cents we were waiting for. Boom skis. We are gone skis. 51 going. 51. 53 pennies. 53 pennies. Okay. 56. Whew. This is gonna end up not being a swing anymore, Grim. I'm gonna take some monies. Yeah. Yeah. This is not a swing anymore. Yeah, give me monies, please. Give me monies. Perfect. Again, if you're not a member in Discord, you're missing out, right? This was posted in Discord in the 30s, right? This was posted in Discord earlier today. So it still looks really, really good. Like it looks really, really good, right? So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out. So this was posted as a swing play and it's already cooking, right? So if you missed that, well, again, come join us in Discord. You're missing out big time. There goes 60 cents, guys. Ooh, wee. Oh, my day is 61. What did we say? If we break above 60 cents, 50 cents, Grim, the cooking is going to start. Well, the cooking has begun. We broke 50 cents and then the cooking started. There we go. Was the trigger, Grim. Send it. Very, very nice. If you made monies in PRPH, guys, type in yes in the chat. If you made some monies in PRPH, type in yes in the chat. I'm surprised. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Let's go, crypto. Let's go. Monies, guys. Monies. High five, everybody. High five. Yeah, you are Omega. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Send the crypto. Yeah, you should have sent that money to the we. Yeah, I think we do, right? Does a goal, guys? Okay, there we go. It went to the goal. Perfect. So there's a goal in the chat. So all the super chats go to donate to giving someone a legend membership, by the way. Alrighty. So we can randomly pick someone in the chat that's interacting, smashing the like, all the fun stuff, and give them a legend membership for a month so they can join us in Discord. So when you send a super chat, it's just going to give someone a legend membership. Alrighty. Cool. Deal. You usually don't trade pennies. That's okay, Luna, right? It's good to have rules and discipline, right? So nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with that at all. So good way to start the day. Let's see. Perfect. And it doesn't look like we're quite done yet, does it? Nope. Doesn't look like we're done yet. Let's see. Perfect. PR. Okay. There we go. Let's go, Abdu. I was in at 41 cents because you listened. Let's go, Abdu. Congratulations. Yeah, it looks like we're stalling a bit at 62. So, which isn't bad because that thing just broke out and sent it, right? So, Grim can buy on the next dip instead. I like add to the position on the next dip. Criminal. No more dips, Grim. No more dips. No more dipskis. KWE is actually doing an okay job trying to consolidate around $1. So the longer it sits above $1, the better. The longer we sit there, the better. And then obviously again that $1 we mentioned, guys. The 4 to the 4 on this one still looking good, right? So on PRPX, so that's still looking good there. So there we go. Unusual. Let's go, Grims. Donating to the fun fund. Of to come. Looking forward to seeing you people come cook with us. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Thank you very much for the super chat, Grim. Thank you. You know what you should have done, Grim, is you should have broken that into like, because what it does, YouTube only accepts like $5 donations, because that's what we did, that's what we created. But we'll figure it out. So you should have broken it to like like 5 different ones. 4, but yeah. Anyways, so PRPH is still cooking. Alrighty, so brand new highs of the day, 67 cents, not stopping. Not stopping at all. Looking very good. Looking very, very good. Okay. Shima, you cooking, you know that, right? Cooking. 12. 12s. 12s. There we go. Let's go, Grims. It's short. Nice but short. Thank you, Grim. Thank you, Dan. Let's go. And then again, let's already paid myself on the way up for STI jumping back in. Let's go. Story, congratulations. Good job. Alrighty. Good job, good job, good job. So and then again, it's all about the Discord classes that you've binged over the weekend. Let's go, Shima. Right? I really like when when like people spend time over the weekend. Like anything you're struggling with, we have a class for it. You just have to take the time and put in the effort, right? So when you're seeing someone like Shima cook because she's been spending time watching educational videos, spend some time over the weekend. If you're struggling with anything, the videos are right there, right? Go watch the videos, get some education. Ready? And then again, let's pick someone in the chat, guys. Before the stream ends, let's pick someone in the chat. Alrighty? Let's pick someone in the chat and say, hey, you deserve a legend membership for a month, and then give that to them. Alrighty? So yeah. So if you notice someone in the chat that isn't a member yet and you think they deserve a legend membership, you know, give me the name, right? It might just be one name, but if it's multiple names, we can put it in the wheel, okay? We can put it in the wheel and spin. Alrighty, and give them a legend membership for a month so they can come cook with us. Yo? Yeah, alrighty. So that's completely up to the chat and the people donating in the chat, right? Oh my goodness, Grims. Oh my goodness. Well, we can do the math. Let's go, Grim. Spin the wheel of fortune. Spin the wheel of fortune. We can do the math and then if we need to give multiple memberships, we can. Okay. Then we can. So yeah, for now, 65 is the next level we need to close above for PRPH to keep cooking. Alrighty, 65 cents. 65. And then SRM is still holding that SRM still holding that 90 cents. KWE is still playing with the dollar. Alrighty. PRFX needs to stay above this $4 now. Please and thank you. Please. I kind of feel like people are looking at other names and playing with other names. You know? Oh my goodness. Let's go, Joshi. Thank you for the super chat, Josh. Hopefully you had an amazing birthday, by the way. Education is key. Absolutely, Abdu. Absolutely. Uh, you are, Brian. Well done. Well done, Brian. Oh my goodness, Josh. Josh is like, anybody want a membership, guys? You get a membership. You get a membership. Everybody gets a membership. It was an awesome birthday. No, good. Good. John says I made $1,300 this morning approximately. Come on, John. Well done. Come join us in Discord, John. Come join us. Congratulations, guys, if you got a membership already. Congrats. Congratulations. So yeah, we're retesting the kernel and the 20. So your next support is around 54, 55 cents. And then if we want to dip, and then that 50 cents that we broke above would be the level for PRPH. Alrighty. But again, this was a really nice entry, right? Really, really good entry at the bottom, and then boom skis. So we made some nice monies on this one. Let's see if we can stay above 50 cents at the very least. Alrighty. Pop GCL, Tony. I was like, is it pooping? Okay, fine. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Yeah, GCL does look good. Spy. Varys is killing Spy, killing Spy. Let's give away a legend membership now, and then we can do more later. Alrighty. Let's go, A. Well done. Love it. Let's again, anybody in the chat, guys, that we think deserves are you in a position, Prevent, that deserves a legend membership? Let me know. Alrighty. So pick someone in the chat. And let's go for let's go. You guys get to decide in the chat. Everyone. So let me know. So all the donations go into the membership fund. All the donations. SRM. Yeah. Hopefully the Ali, you still in the chat? Hopefully you're managing your position as you see fit, please. Ready? Ayo Ryan, good morning. Good morning. Azul and INLF is halted up. Yeah, exactly. Let's get some newbies. So the donations are only for newbies, guys, right? So if you're already a member to any degree, you don't get one. This is only for newbies. So all the super chats go into the into that. Have a newbie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So Stifle is definitely in there. Contention. No journey begins without taking the first step. Absolutely, Josh. Absolutely. Not as they come, not mentally. Yeah. T4 as a beginning, I recommend you join us in Discord and go watch some educational videos. That's where you should. Yeah, that's where you should start. Alrighty. That's where you should be starting. Interestingly enough, PRFX is still holding above. You know, it's still holding above that $4 that 200 EMA grim. So I wonder if that's a double bottom, that's a retest, and then cook from there. Yeah, it's really trying to. I think it needs to close above the 20 EMA. If it does, above 420, and then I think it's gonna run to the VWAP. So for $4.50. Speaking of that, it's already trying to do that. 430. $4.30. Pick Brian. There are quite a few people in the chat. Huh? Let me just put some names in the wheel then. Since we again, it's I would like it to be up to the people that donate to be able to pick someone in the chat, but we have a few that so let's put a few names in the chat and then spin, and then we can spin it multiple times if we need to as the day goes on. Okay, let's just spin it once for now. So Stifler, alrighty. Brian Brian in the chat. Is it like you? So that's someone you know. Brian. Brian. Okay, perfect. Who else? Who else? Do. Let's see. Sing. Okay. Why is it glitching? 1 second. I also want to put people in the chat that are always here, like we want to do this for people that are always in the chat, but maybe are not quite sure or, stuff like that, right? So we're not just putting anybody that showed up today for the first time. So keep that in mind. Yeah, for some reason that's not working for me anymore. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, sing. Okay, there we go. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Regina is usually always here. Lizzie's always here as well. Lizzie. Sean. And then. Oh, it always does? Members only? Yeah. Oh, okay, I see. Ash. Yeah, I've seen Ash a few times. Do, do. Good. Are we good? Good, good, good. Actually, Grun is always here too. Do, 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 do. 7. Okay. 7. 7. Do, do, do. Perfect. Are we good? So we're gonna give away one, and then as the day goes on, we can give a few more. Okay. Dio. Okay, this is meant to be for people that always in the chat, always always on stream, like smashing the like, hitting, chatting, right, interacting in the comments, blah blah blah, stuff like that. We see your name so often, so then stuff like that. BLK. Okay, fine. We'll put a few more names, and then Ryan. Cool. Cool. You're already a member, Omega. Just go upgrade, Omega. You're missing out, Omega. You're missing out. Like, you missed out on the swing today, Omega. Right? You would have made some really nice monies. Good luck, peoples. Right? And then we can give a few more too. Right? So it was only meant to be okay, let's do this thing. And the winner. Shauna Lizzie. Dang, Lizzie, you're so close. Either way, you're always in the people. Congratulations. Alrighty. Congrats, Sean. Uh, right? Did I spell it wrong? Oh yeah, I do that. Let's go. Congratulations, Sean. Ready? So, congrats. You're very close, Lizzie. So we're gonna take Sean out of the list, and then okay, there you go. Sean is off the list. Yeah, you like it like that? Sorry. Okay, so right, Sean, you know what to do, right? Send me an email, and I'll send you an invite link. Okay, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty. So we can do a few more spins later as well. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Okay, moving on. Yeah, for some reason this thing doesn't wanna. I think we hit 440 at the top there, Grim, for PRPX. And then SRM, beautiful retest. I think Grim reposted this one in Discord, right? A retest of the 200 EMA, which is quite nice. So right below 90 cents, and then it popped. So that looks fine to me still. Alrighty. If we can get back above $1 and stay above $1, that'd be really good. STI, Dipski on that one. KWE, below $1, not amazing. Your next support would be right at that VWAP at 86, and then at the 200 EMA. Alrighty, and then back to our favorite swing for now, PRPH. Let's see if we can find a way to. We actually stayed above 50 cents, which is nice, right? So a dip to 50 cents would have been a really good spot. Like a big bag holder, yeah. The only good thing for now, Grim, is that it's staying above that 200 EMA, so hopefully it stays above. Brian, what do I think about that thing? Have they done a split yet or no? If it's still in that penny land, then meh. 83. Okay, sounds good, Grim. Perfect. ALLO. Was that the one you were talking about? Jason? That was you, wasn't it? ALLO? Allogen? Yeah, that thing looks good. Slow and steady. I thought you were just saying hello, on Friday too, Grim? Yeah. Yes, he is. Yes, yes, yes. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're really just missing out on all these plays. Missing out Palantir. Wasn't Palantir 124? Yeah, there are quite a few good names today, actually. Uh, Hepa just had a nice little spike there. Anytime that thing gets close to 16 cents, people seem to like want to buy the dips for some reason, Grim. Some reason. So maybe someday that thing will eventually go back up and break 30 cents. 30 cents. Mm-mm. I was thinking, what's your position in M goal? What are you in at on that thing? State of the market. I'm not. Uh, starter. Josh. Okay. Sounds good. Eventually, Grim, I think so too. Especially if we keep staying above that bottom section. It just needs to break. I think the last time we mentioned 25 cents. So if it breaks above, just like today for the PRPH, right? If it can break about 25 cents, I think it's gonna do really well. Um, yeah. So HEPA looks fine to me about that. So you're in MLGO at 68 cents. Do you have a stop loss on this thing or no? Hmm. I think if I was in the same position, if I was in that same position, if I was in that same position as you, I would be watching 50 cents like a hawk and praying that it stays above 50 cents. Saying if it can stay above 50 cents, I'm trying to say 50 cents, and then you might just be okay. Alrighty. And again, we talked about this on in the class on the weekend, right, Paul? Buy the hype, sell the news. Buy the hype, sell the news. Please, 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 please. Right? When a stock says we have a merger coming up, play the momentum leading up to that merger. But when the merger is completed, you want to run away, right? Because the catalyst is done, right? We talked about, again, Sing, you're missing out, right? We talked about M goal from 12 cents, all the way to $1.05, right? So we play the entire thing, and then you're getting it at 68 cents, right? So again, if you're not a member, you're really missing out on these plays. Construction and during the day, you've been scalping crypto the last couple of days, Michael. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, you can do that, and then you can also do the swing plays, right? The scalpings and the swing plays. So again, buy the hype and sell the news, right? This the MGO basically lost half of its gains after the merger news came out, right? So SRM, very good post from Grim in Discord. Look at that thing, right? Retesting the highs of the day now, SRM. So SRM clearly isn't done yet, right? So you could have, again, Sing, you could have played with MGO from 12 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents leading up into that. And then you could have taken a swing play as well on SRM, right? From the 60s all the way to $1, right? You just rotate from one swing to the next. We have a super chat as well from Shima. Shima, let's go. Thank you for the super chat. Keep making monies, please, and thank you, Shima. Yeah, how are we? Let's see here. Okay, I think we need like let's see, three more super chats, and then we're gonna give away another legend membership. Another legend membership. So we're gonna keep the wheel the same, and then we're just gonna keep gifting up that wheel. Alrighty. I think we might need to add Michael to the list, but yeah. How do you do higher amounts on a super chat? You click on like the dollar sign, and then you select the amount. I think you can scroll up and down. You select the amount. So for now, that's a double top Grim, right below $1.10 for SRM. But it's only a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Only a matter of time. Grim's like, here's one. Everybody's gonna become a member at this point, right? So again, I mean, if you can look at the members like giving super chats, like wanting people to join discords, I think that tells that the community speaks for itself. So if you're not a member yet, come join us. Alrighty, come join us. Yeah, so we need to break above $1.10 for SRM here. This unusual volume selling pressure coming in whenever we hit that double top though. So you want to be careful. Should be obvious though that it is resistance anyways, but yeah, just be careful. How do you give a super chat? So you know in the chat, Bill, there's a dollar sign button. If you click on that, it'll give you the option to send a super chat. So yeah, for now, this is a double top on SRM. SSSSMM. Fed to cut rates once in 2025, according to, okay. I mean, we knew that already though, so that's not a big surprise. Not a big surprise. Let's see, is there anything else that we haven't really looked at? Yeah. That's the other way, Shima. Yeah, you gifted the memberships. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, you did it, Bill. Let's go. 60s, I think. A couple of million shares. The next, exactly, Grim. Exactly. I always say $1.10 just because it's like a psychological level, and it's easier to understand why $1.10. Even though, so Bill, thank you very much for the super chat. Super. I think they call it like, I don't know, whatever they call it. And then Shima, thank you for gifting away the memberships. Let's go, AK. Look at this, guys. Everybody wants like everybody to let's go. We did it, guys. We did it. So we're gonna spin the wheel again. AK sister. Let's go. Thank you for the super chat, AK. Thank you. So we're gonna gift let's go. Anybody else you guys want to add to the wheel? Let me know. If not, we'll just spin it again. This is fun. It is fun, isn't it? Yeah, right? It is fun. So anybody else we want to add to the list? As we're doing that, ABVC is cooking as well. ABVC, nice little pop there. Not crazy volume, but nice pops. Your next trigger here will be a break and close above 85 cents. So if you missed it already, probably wait for a dip ski or wait for the next breakout. Alrighty. ABVC. Yeah, Bill. Yeah, there is. But this is it's easier this way, and it's more fun, Yeah. Again, I leave it up to the members, especially the members that are sending super chats to tell me if they want to add, another name. So it's not me picking, So let me know, guys. Anybody else you guys want to add, or just leave it the same and spin it? Let me know. The other day she said she's gonna change. Hoping. Shima. I have no idea. I have no idea who that is. I don't remember. Do 2025. Once more in 2026. Okay. Shima, yeah, Bus is on here. I just put it as Bus. Yeah, he got added. Yeah. Okay, are we ready? Ready to spin? Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Okay. As much as knowledge in the markets as possible. We want you to and to us trading and learning every day. Exactly, Josh. Grim, exactly. For the beta, as long as you have the commitment, I could not have said that any better, right? So you have to put in the effort, right? If you're noticing the people that are succeeding in the chat are putting in the effort, right? Shima's like, I hit my daily goal. I got in from this price and sold at this price. What was she doing all weekend? She was watching some videos, right? Taking the time to learn. So yeah, so much easier to navigate it is, right? Good. Okay, let's spin, guys. Let's go. And the winner for the next membership is Sing still in the chat? Sing. I watched the videos, but also went to. There you go. Exactly. Shiva. Sing, guys. Where's Sing? Is Sing in the chat? Congratulations, Sing. Congrats. Yes, you are. Okay, perfect. Send me an email and I'll send you an invite. Okay. So at the top of the list, at the top of your stream, hutratex at Gmail. Send me an email and I'll send you and then I'm gonna remove your name from the list, and then the list gets smaller. Alrighty. The list gets smaller. So let me see if you send me an email. By the way, Sean. Yeah, Sean, you send me an email. Perfect. I'm gonna. So once you click on that invite, and then I'll give you access. Okay. March 5th. So congratulations. So again, every time we do this, we're just going to leave the list the same unless we want to add more names to the list. Okay. Someday there's only going to be one name on this list, and then spin, maybe. Yeah. So if we do this, so make sure you show up to the streams, right? Make sure you show up to the stream. Make sure you interact, say hello, right? So then we know that you're watching the streams, blah, blah, blah. Then we know to add you to the list, right? Cool. Cool. Yeah, it looks like that was a fat double top there, Grim, for SRM. Fat double top. My goodness. And the criminal family grows. Absolutely. Come make monies with us, please. Yeah, so Sean, I sent you an invite already. So you just have to click on the link and then already. So if you already have like an old account, you'll leave and then come back, Sean, and then I'll grant you access. Hopefully, Grim. Hopefully. Looks like a PRPH broke below 50 cents though. So it needs a new area of consolidation. PRPX is still like somehow holding the 200 EMA, but it just doesn't have the volume to push up. It does not have the volume to push up for some reason. Okay. Come on, markets. We need something else, please. It's getting a little bit too slow. So we're retesting support though for SRM. So right above 90 cents. Let's go, Abdu. Have a great day with so $3,000 in profits. See you tomorrow, Abdu. Congratulations. Ooh wee. $3,000 a day, guys. The village is happy today. The village. At some point, Abdu, you're gonna own the entire village if you keep this up. Kimbella, GCL. Are you in a position? GCL. Oh yeah, GCL is popping. Thank you, Kimbella. Thank you. Yeah, so that candle is trying to break above 650 and stay above 650. It looks like it's going to. Your next resistance obviously would be $7 in this case, Kimbella. Yeah, no, I missed it. It really is, Mr. Chairman. It really is. 570. Oof, very nice. Yeah, you got in all the way at the beginning of the curl. Yeah, all the way on the curl of the 9 EMA. Josh, yeah. Kenya. Kenya seems like a really nice place to you, doesn't it, Josh? Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Give me a high five. Well done. Right? A leap of faith. Right? A leap of faith and trusting yourself and putting in the work, Congratulations. Well done. Well done. So it's nice when you take some monies out, isn't it? So Grim pays himself, right? Takes monies out of the accounts, right? To feed the village. Well done. Congratulations. Yeah, Kimbella. So $7 is your next resistance, yeah. Grun, I mean, that thing's been running forever. So when it's dipping like that, no surprises. Zero whatsoever. 44 sold half at 50. Next resistance or take profit area, please and thank you. Jericho, let me take a look. And then I'll come back to this. NBIS. So you bought in at 44, took profits at $50, and then you're looking for like basically your next resistance. Take profit area. Okay. I'm looking for your entry first. So you got in on the breakout, which is really nice. Congratulations. I like it, Jericho. Right? You got in on a break above that resistance, 44, and then you basically started selling at. So if you look to the left hand side, your next profit take level would be right above 50. So anywhere from like 51. So 51 to 54. I think yeah. So 51. Your yearly high, which is the level you hit today, is 51, right? That also kind of connects with this level around. So these candle closings, right? Yeah, you have a pivot all the way up there, but these candles really struggled right there. So 51, which is exactly where it hit today, and then backed off, right? And then you have that the high at 54ish. So anywhere in that range would be a nice profit take for you. Alrighty, for NBIS. Let's see if ABVC can curl up the kernel. The kernel SRM is still holding above the 200, the demand and the VWAP, so that's good. $7. Kimbella, yeah, it's sitting there though, isn't it? It's trying to break out. To make yourself a Colorado omelet sounds amazing. I don't know what that is, but it sounds amazing. Yeah, so Sing, let me know when you send me an email, okay? So again, hotratesx@gmail. Sean sent me an email already. I responded to your email, Sean, so you should be good to go. At the moment, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Wes, are you in SMCI or no? Denver omelets, not Colorado omelets. I make a mean omelet, by the way. The best, you know? Yeah. There goes 720, Kimbella. 720. PRFX is still holding $4, the 200 EMA. So if the volume came in on this thing, oof, I think it easily popped to 450 in 2 seconds. PRFX. Is it going to do it though? That's the question. Why do I feel like the 50 EMA really is the resistance here? Maybe it is actually. Yeah. So every time it taps that, it seems to like go back down. Okay, perfect. Sing. I responded to your email, so you should be good to go. Yeah, Etsy reports earnings tomorrow morning, Pavan, right? Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow. But it's still having a hard time closing above $7 though, Kimbella. Here comes another retest of the 200 EMA for SRM. Etsy. Maybe some stocks will pay in eggs. Watch because of the price of eggs. Yep. Inflation. Again, thank you to everybody that played the game already. So AK, thank you very much. Bill, thank you very much. Shima, thank you very much. Grim, thank you very much. Josh, always, thank you, brother. Alrighty, thank you, Dan. Thank you, Crypto MGTW. Thank you very much for the super chats, guys, and the memberships. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and congratulations, guys, if you got a free membership. Alrighty, congrats. Take advantage of it. Alrighty. Take advantage of it. Spend time asking questions and yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Uh, Perfect. KWE, is that a double bottom there though? It's 87 cents. Ooh, this might be a grim scalp. KWE. Let's see if that candle can stay above that view up as well though. Let's see. Brian, don't worry. We will keep spinning and spinning. And ready? SL. Mr. Clark, no, don't worry. There's over 100. I think you might just need to refresh it. Yeah. So yeah, if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbox. Become a member and come join us in Discord already. Just make sure you sign up for the right level. Only legends and goats. Only the legends and the goats. Yeah, we are holding that 200 again here. Yeah, and then it looks like PRFX might actually break down now just because, again, that 50 EMA is like, nope, you shall not pass. That's the orange line, by the way, right? So this candle somehow needs to close back above the 200 if it wants to stay alive. What type of info do you look at for swing plays? Michael, we just had a class, right? So if you go to the hot trades, let me just search up hot trades, right? Actually, I'm looking for YouTube is what I'm looking for, right? If you and then if you search hot trades, right, and let's see, and then you go. I don't know if it's gonna show because I'm not signed into this. It's not gonna show. It's not gonna show me that. It's not gonna show me that section. Dang it. Anyways, we just did a class, right? Last 2 weekends ago, right? How to look for swing plays, right? We just did a class. Again, a benefit of being a member, right? So again, how to swing stocks. So I let me see if I can pull up. Let me see if I can pull it up though. I don't know why it doesn't just randomly show you that stuff though. Videos. Let me tap on videos. Maybe there we go. Perfect. It was my mistake. So here it is, right? So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out on some of the we did a class, right, last Saturday on how to read SEC filings, right? Like when you look at these SEC filings, how do you read them, right? The video's right there if you want to watch it, right? We did a class 11 days ago, right? How to look for swing plays. And funny enough, when we did that class, we were talking about MG or L, right? That stock cooked, right? We did a class like that. Simple stuff, right? How to read charts. 1 month ago, we did that, right? How to read charts, right? How to do technical analysis, right? Stuff like that is really going to change your life, right? Um, right? How to play options, right? Option class 2 months ago, right? So again, there's a whole bunch. The list is endless, 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 right? How to use TradingView, right? Simple stuff like that, right? So every month we do a class, right? How build a long-term wealth, right? Like dividends and ETFs and stuff like that, right? So again, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there that as a member you benefit from, right? So we have a class coming up in 2 weeks, something like that. So again, if you're not a member, some of the stuff, become a member. Come join us. When was that? How did you miss that, Kimbella? How to read SEC filings? That was last Saturday. The swing class. You never. You missed the swing class. Yeah, that was 11 days ago, I think. Yeah. Again, the schedule is posted in Discord and it's updated in the group class channel. And I talked about it on stream and the day before. And yeah. Come on, Z double bottoms, Grim. Now it needs the volumes. PRPH is curling on the bottom there, so that's good. So it looks like we came all the way to 47 cents. 47 cents. Edible with a bit of a pop. That's more than one class a month. Yeah. Sometimes we want to do more than one, it just depends. What we need to do at some point is do a general Q&A, right? Like every time we have a specific topic, but one of these classes we're going to need to pick like a specific, like just general. You have like random questions, just ask. But yeah, so the next class is going to be about dividends, guys, right? We're most likely going to talk about like long-term stuff and dividends. We're not just going to talk about dividends, but yeah. So the next class, do you want class a week? No, absolutely not. No. By snail mail, or do you hand deliver them? Let's go Azules. When GME Moon skis. When GME Moon. Yeah. Just one rate cut. Session high today, Azul. Nice. And yeah, Josh. Yeah, so again, we did that already, right? So if you haven't seen that, watch it. Not for Josh. Josh was in this class, I think. Yeah. So if you haven't, yeah, go ahead and rewatch it, and then we're probably going to do it again. And these classes will come up, over and over again, right? Because there's only so much stuff we can talk about, right? Again, there's classes on here, right? Like, when to buy momentum stocks, right? If you're struggling with entries, like when to buy momentum stocks, dips and breakouts, right? So yeah, there's some stuff on here, right? How to set a stop loss, right? How to play pre-market stocks, how to play pre-market, pre-market and after hours, basically. So there's classes all over the place, and these are available only for the members, right? See how it says members only at the bottom? It's members only. So if you haven't watched some of those videos, go watch them. Yeah. Yep. There's a class in here that talks about covered calls, right? Members only, right? This is more like Mark's story, right? So we need to, yeah. Let's go, Grims. Yes, please. Yes, please. There's a bit of a problem here, 55 cents. So 55 cents and then back to 65, Grim. Okay, sounds good, AK. Have a wonderful meeting already. See you later. Later. For scalp? Okay. Yeah, so we need that 55 break and then push for 65. Seems to be heading back up. Still below the 200 Azul. Okay, thank you. Yeah. SPY. Yeah, that's actually not too bad of a comeback, Azul. Yeah. Yeah, I bet you they just wanted to fill the stupid gap, huh? Fillings of the gap skis. AMD needs to get back above like 115. Slacker. My goodness, Bitcoin has really been slacking, but like lagging the move. So here comes a retest of that 55 cents for PRPH. It is nice to see Bitcoin move on its own, though. Like the last run, it went on its own. Now it's dipping on its own. It's nice too. So we know that when it runs, it's going to run on its own. It doesn't need the market. Okay. So yeah, there goes the break of 55 cents. Grim. Very nice. Very, very nice. So if we can stay above, that'd be good. So yeah, we need to close above this 55. And then we're looking for closer to the top there. So yeah, you can kind of see how that 55 is acting as a problem, right? So then we have again, so 60, but really I'm paying attention to that, to the upper, the view up there, right? And then obviously like the high of 65, right? So not the high, but like that's your next resistance up there. So those would be your next three levels here. So that 55 is our next little obstacle there for PRPH. And then the bottom of the range for now. Yeah. Then the bottom of this range is the 47-ish, right? And then again, 45 is where that 200 EMA is sitting at, so we can look at that level as like our next support, right? But and hopefully by then, if we do get there, hopefully the 200 is caught up. But yeah, for now, our next resistance is right there. So if we can close above that level, that'd be perfect. For PRPH. Sheesh. They said you shall not pass for now. So double bottoms, higher lows, don't mind. Give us something. Give us something. Back to retesting 50 cents. SRM is still holding or curling. So that's okay. And then PX, like it just never had the volume to want to do anything. So meh, right? This is the danger of like stocks failing to, again, you always have to remember like who you're playing with, right? And you're playing with retail. Like retail, the one thing that you can guarantee will drive retail is FOMO, right? So if you're looking at a stock, regardless of how amazing that stock is, if that stock has not made a high for a long time, people tend to like be very skeptical, right? And that's exactly what's happening with this, right? Like this stock looked amazing, right? Looked amazing. We all thought this was going to be the one, right? Right? Remember the gut feeling, Luna, right? And Grim said if you trade off gut, if you made monies off gut feelings, then that would be amazing. But you really don't, right? So again, if you're failing to make brand new highs, we don't really care for it, right? Straight to new lows of the day. So again, really important that like your trading is based off performance. Yeah. Yep. And yep. So you need to keep performing for retail to like you. If you don't perform, we move on to something else, right? Move on to something else. I don't think we would have looked at like, I mean, think about it, right? We obviously were getting into PRPH, not because we thought it was going to be the stock of the day, but because it was meant to be a swing play, right? Swing. But then all of a sudden, boom, skis, right? We made some nice monies on that. But again, so it's all based on like performance. KWE is still holding that same support at 85 cents. So 85 cents for KWE. And then Kimbella, that $7 is still resistance for GCL, right? ABVC, meh. Meh. And then let's see what PRPH can do here for us. Grim says if you trade on feelings, you will lose your monies quicker than than a fat kid with a McDonald's voucher eating at Big Mac. Exactly, not exactly. So, yep, it's always based on performance, especially when you're playing with momentum stocks. Momentum stocks have to maintain momentum. If they don't, garbage, garbage, right? So always think of like your end goal and say, okay, I'm playing this stock because of momentum. Okay, cool. It has to maintain momentum, right? There's no reason for you to sit there and say, but Blaze, I'm holding this momentum stock. I'm gonna hold it overnight because I think like, I think, it's gonna go to the moon. I think it's gonna go to the moon. But does it have momentum though? Uh no, it doesn't. So why the hell are you holding it? But Blaze, I'm holding the swing play. I'm holding it because the chart it's breaking below support. Why the hell are you holding it, right? Yeah. Does it have a catalyst? Stuff like that, right? So you always have to go back to your reasoning. Like, why are you holding that stock? Why are you getting in? And then make sure that reason stays true, right? Make sure the reason stays the same. If it changes at any point, get rid of it. Very nice cow, Kimbella. Before bed and selling when green in the morning. No real strategy there, Michael. That's okay. As long as it's working, that's completely okay. REBN looks okay. Ruben Coffee. Actually, no, that thing popped and then came right back down. So not sure why the yeah. And then GC says, "Hey Kimella, I'm going again." So that thing just popped all the way to that thing actually popped all the way to $8, Kimbella. Shish. My goodness, look at that. Dipskis pop. That was actually that was a nice plan A there for you, Luna. If you were interested in this, right? Pretty easy on this one, right? Dip below, curl back above, close, boom, skis, right? So that would have been a nice easy one, easy monies on that one, right? No, nothing crazy, just easy monies. Dazed, yeah, sure. What's your position? Let me know, Michael. Yeah, yep. That's okay. Just pointing it out. Um, okay. EFOI, you got in at $1.95. Do you have a stop loss on this one? $1.95. Yeah, you most likely got into. Oof, Lord have mercy. Yeah, you probably got in on this thing all the way. Yeah, you got in there somewhere around this price, and then it went to 170, and now it's trying to come back, right? Yeah. Do you have a stop loss on this, days? Let me know. Anyways, we're maintaining a bit of an uptrend now for PRPH. So let's see if we can get back about 55 grim. Break. Go. It's a lottery play. Yeah, see, that's why I always ask people to expand on their questions because there's no way I would have guessed that it's a lottery play, and then you're willing to go to zero. That's why I always ask. Can something cook? Pretty please. Can something give us the boomskis? That looks like a roller coaster I was in the day, right? Yeah. Jericho, did you make your daily goal? Made your daily goal? You're done. ACHR. Eventually going to have a la, 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 la. Okay. ACHR. Do. Perfect. Ooh, oh my goodness. Let's go. Well done. Well done, Jericho. Daily goal completed. Show me the money. I like it. I like it. KWE, well, for now it's not though, right? But now it's giving you lower highs and lower highs and lower highs. So nothing good about that for now. Um, unless it stays so your final again, so that 85 is still holding, which is what we talked about, right? So right between 85 and 80 cents. If it stays above that, then okay, fine. Fine. I would have I would have liked if we never broke below the 200, but it's back above the 200. So for now, Kaiser looks okay. Alrighty. Yeah, for now it looks okay. You're in at 91. Okay. Yeah, for now it looks fine. All the way up. Yeah, that thing just made new highs of the day. GCLM. Kimbella, you made nice monies on this one though, so no complaints at all. No complaints at all. You made nice monies. Shush. That thing says, thanks for coming, Kimbella. GCL Global Holdings. 850. 850. Yeah, there goes SRM. Yeah, there goes your Curl Kaiser. 80, almost 94 cents. See you green. Crazy stonk. Crazy stonk. Looking for the volume. Okay. Monster. There goes 870. Shush. That thing said bye. So then you have a thicker supply zone right below $9. So be careful out there if you're holding this. Alrighty. Spy still going, Azul? Kind of. Kind of. Josh, have you bought any more Bitcoin dips yet, or just watching for now? MU puts 105 virus. Okay, a bit of a risky one. Okay. Right around 95 for buys. Yeah, 95 is a good spot. 92. Right. Yeah, when you look at that daily on BTC, it's quite nice around 92. So we're just kind of going back and forth. Yeah, look at these daily candles, right? It's like if we break below 92, people are gonna panic a little bit, right? And then maybe we go back and retest the 200 on on the daily, like 85. But for now, yeah, it's just bouncing off the 92, 95 to 92, just up, down, then back to the top, back to the bottom. So yep, nothing wrong with that at all. Tiny pieces. On the base to form results of the Bitcoin commission for reserve. Yeah, then we can move. Sounds good. Dang, that 55 was a nasty obstacle there, Grim, on PRPH. So let's see if we can come back down and double bottom at 46, 47. If not, we're for sure going to go back and retest that 200 EMA at 45, which to me there's nothing wrong with. And then here goes the GCL again, guys. Damn, that thing just broke. That thing actually broke above on that candle, all the way to $9.30 to the 200. Okay, sounds good. Maybe that's gonna be the next one, Grim. The next one, the next SRM to $1, and the peoples will say, but, how come, how come, how come? And Grim will say, don't be useless, please. Don't be useless. Do, 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 do. Don't be useless. uh, SRM 94 cents. It actually popped to 95 cents for you, Kaiser. So you are greens, green, green. 96 has a bit of a downtrend sitting on right there. So an algo downtrend. So I'm sure that level is going to be an obstacle for you, Kaiser. 96 pennies. Is anybody holding a GCL? Looks like you've hit resistance here, $9.30 though. It might be time for dipskis, but anybody playing with this one? You are M? Okay. Yeah, it looks like there's a bit of resistance here on your way to $10. Jacob? Okay, sounds good. Oh yeah, Kimvela? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so again, $9.30 resistance. Sub bro, 813. Nice. Yeah, again, $9.30. Unless this candle wants to just explode up, which it has been, right? Go up, go up, go up, go up instead. Go up, cease. 867. Very nice. You just need one more breakout, Kimbella, and then you're going to be looking for $10. But again, $9.30 is your next resistance. Yeah, it's so much easier to navigate these charts with the watermark, Grim. Way nicer. Way nicer. When are you gonna break out, Mr. GCL? When? Here comes 820. 820 and right back down to $9. So 920 back to $9. Right. So again, that $9.30, and look at that thing drop like a tomato, right? So surprised at this resistance there? No, not really. Right. Breakout, it said nope. Not yet. Right. So again, when you see momentum stocks stalling, it might be time to take some profits and walk away, right? Then you can always FOMO back in on the breakout. So not a huge surprise there that it's failing. Not a huge surprise. What was that other swing, Grim? The other one we liked. It wasn't ENVBE. Oh yeah, LYT. What's that one doing? Still just sitting there, huh? Just sitting there. Playing games. All-time low is 2370, so it's hopefully stays above that bottom at least. I just wanted to see what it was doing. Just wanted to see. U.S. Appeals Court. Biden era student debt relief plan. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, again, as long as PRPH stays above the 200 EMA all day today, there's really nothing to worry about it. Just dip buys for now. Deep buys. So we went all the way to $8 here for 810 for GCL. So again, when you see resistance, especially after a big run like this, yeah, right? You wanna make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. Deep skis, Grims. Mullen did another reverse split today. Unbelievable. How can any be bullish in that company? Yeah, when we did the class on Saturday, we talked about Mullen and the scamminess. What's Mullen at now? So 1 for 60, right? Oh my days. Sheesh. And it, again, can someone try shorting like one share of Mullen? Let me know if it lets you. Last time Mullen was at $15, we tried all the brokers. We tried shorting Mullen and it wouldn't let us do it. And then Mullen went to 10 cents or whatever it went to, 20 cents. Can you imagine shorting it from $15 to 20 cents? Oh my days. Is it going to do the same thing again, guys? Yes, it is, isn't it? Right? What I would caution you against though is every time a stock does a split, there's usually some type of like a scam pop, right? Mullen now has 800,000 shares. So Mullen has that ability. Mullen has that ability to do a pop. At some point, Mullen, whether it's going to do it from this price or dip to like, $8, $7, it's going to do a pop. And then when it does and it's coming back down, it's over, right? Just because they're doing splits doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean the company is all of a sudden, like an amazing company now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, okay, so Dan wants to do another giveaway, guys. Alrighty, Dan wants to give away another Legend membership. Alrighty, so let's see. Let me log in. How do I do this? Okay, perfect. Perfect. I'm just setting it up here. Continue. Continue. Blah 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 blah. Giveaway. I'm just setting it up and then I'm gonna send you guys I'm gonna send. Let's go, Dan. Thank you very much. So this time we're gonna do a keyword giveaway. Okay. Uh, settings, keyword giveaway. Next. Yes, yes. Perfect. Done. Okay. So again, thank you very much, Dan. The keyword for this giveaway is that's the keyword hashtag so just put the hashtag in the chat. Hashtag big money. I just love the love. Yes, let's go. So hashtag can pay me back by killing it in the markets. Absolutely, Dan. So hashtag big money is the giveaway. Alrighty. So we're gonna let that run for a minute or two, and then we're gonna pick a winner or let the bot pick a winner. Alrighty. So Dan, thank you very much, and again, so you get a Legend membership. There goes SRM, guys, back to 95. So trying to break above that downtrend. Kaiser looking good. Okay, looking good. But I really should be doing other things, but you can't. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Okay, let me get back to SPY here. Hashtag big money. Okay. Is B had a good buy? Probably not. Yeah, not for me. Unless you just want to gamble, but yeah, not for me. I mean, last time it bounced up 4 cents, so maybe it's gonna do it again. You know. Uh, Okay, there we go. Are you guys ready? Ready? Okay, let's pick a winner, guys. Again, Dan, thank you very much. So the winner for the giveaway, um, the the winner for the giveaway, guys, is are you ready? Is Samuel. Samuel Trading. Samuel Trading. Samuel. So Samuel, send me an email, okay? hottradesx@gmail, and I'll send you an invite. No. Perfect. Let's see. Perfect. There we go. Thank you. Thanks to Dan. Thank you. Thanks to Dan. So Dan gave you a 1 month Legend membership. So yeah, send me an email already. Send me an email, hottradesx@gmail, and I'll send you an invite. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Let's go, Dan. I missed it. You were taking a phone call. The spin is just is when we do like when we do the super chats. Those go to like gifting members, like memberships, like gifting like legend memberships. Dan the man. What did you have for breakfast today, Dan? And gift. And what? And gift. Love it. Yeah, it looks like we held that double bottom at 47 cents grim for PRPH. And then we filled on the downtrend Kaiser, right? 96.95. We talked about that, right? So that 96.95 is resistance, major resistance for SRM. What time is it? Okay. Plenty of time. Uh, okay. EFOI with a bit of a pop. GCL is still looking good after the dip, actually. So 770 all the way back down. Okay. Okay. 7 egg whites, 1 cup of oatmeal, and brown sugar. Okay. Good. At least it wasn't like something that, that I really enjoy, like pancakes and like, like an omelet or something like that. Rubbish. Uh, it let you short it, Eric? Oh, wow. Okay. I would just keep that one share, and then see what happens as a way to track it. You sent an email? Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. Uh, is your name Floyd, Samuel? Is that your name? Let me know. Dan, you know what? I have nothing to say to you. Nothing. 10 at least? Okay. It's only a matter of time before that thing is at $5 again, Eric. Whether it runs to $20 and then comes down or it just decides to go to $5, it's only a matter of time. Invite. Okay, Sean, you should be good to go. Okay. Uh, then you're just gonna need to DM me in Discord, Samuel. You're gonna need to DM me in Discord when your membership expires. Okay. Yeah, DM me in Discord. La 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 la. Okay. CNSP presenting. Presenting. Nice little bounce there. Tan H. All set. Good. Perfect. PRFX. Kimbella, you still in this one? You sold already? La, 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 la. Spy. Yeah, OSCR. My goodness, did anybody get into OSCR? That's the large cap stock from the weekend that had so much volume, so much momentum. Yes, you're still in. Okay, yeah, it's going back for the top there. Going back for the tops. $10. I mean, if it breaks above 930 this time, probably. Oof! Look at it go. I think just hit 970. Damn. That thing said, "Hello, I'm back. I am back." That was a good dip, though, wasn't it? All the way to like 760. Yep, good dip. So you wanted $10. You were 25 cents away. Sub bro. Now you're 50 cents away. 50 cents. La, 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 la. 960, 970. Yeah, same entry, Kimbella. You had earlier. What's the actual float? It doesn't say on TradingView, does it? You might just have to search it up in Discord. Perfect. SRM. Do, 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 do. Oh, okay. Sounds good. Let's see. Do, 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 do. 3. Okay. Do, 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 do. New relevant. Using this link. I think it's gonna crush $10 there. Is that what it is, Eric? Okay. Oh yeah, Kimbella says 32 or 122. Yeah. Either way, it's moving like it has a lower float or it just has really good volume. So, yep. Grim, you're done for the day. Done. Bedtime. Sounds good. Get some rest, Grim, and see you tomorrow. See you when you wake up later today. How's your time? 32, Eric. Okay, sounds good. And thrust. Much love, Grim. Latas. Spy looks like it's still trying to break out, isn't it? Uh, Good morning, Troy. Hello. It got real slow, huh? Yeah, it really did. It really did. Yeah. Now we're maybe just looking for swing plays. Yeah, all the momentum stocks we were playing with are kind of, except for GCL. GCL looks fine. But other than that, everything else seems a bit slower. GCL just looks like it's on course to break above $10. No, to breakout. There goes 990, 990, yeah, 990 for GCL. So yeah, new highs. The candles are all over the place though, but that's what happens when you're playing with a stock like this. There we go. GCL. Spy wants to. Spy wants to. It's going to. There we go. Nice little pop. Yeah, looks like we just wanted to fill the gap, huh? Oh yeah, that's stupid. Stupid minutes. Yeah. Oh, unbelievable. We'll try. Uh, doo, doo, doo. Failing at the view app. Na, 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 na. Okay, let me see. Uh, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, there we go. FOMC. FOMC. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay. Jericho. Okay, sounds good. See you tomorrow. Stay green, not greedy. Stay green, wealthy, not greedy, everyone. Much love and be blessed. Alrighty, Jericho, have a wonderful night as well. Good job on hitting your daily goal again today. Congratulations. And see you tomorrow. Alrighty, much love. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yeah, we'll hop off in like 5 minutes or so I can go do some one-on-ones. Alrighty, so we shall hop off in a few minutes. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Nicola. Doo-doo-doo. Why did it get like really slow though? Interesting. Really, really slow. Even for like the momentum side, Dan. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, you might have hit the. Yeah, be very careful with GCL around $10. Honestly, I mean, as soon as we say that, it's already dipping. But at this point, it's not a surprise, right? Anytime you're seeing a stock between $9.50 and $10, it's always a problem. BTC looks not hot. Mm, 980. Yeah, that was a quick scalp. Uh, uh, no, 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 okay. Okay. Yeah, that's a very small range. That's very small. You can't really do anything with that. Either it breaks down or it breaks up. Can't really do anything with that. Yeah. Dan, what I'm using is especially on SPY, use the lower side of the Bollinger Band. They seem to work really nicely, right? They seem to work really nicely off the bottom there, right? Two nice, perfect double bottoms, and then pops. So it looks like we want to break above the view app. GCL, yeah, it did pop 970 again. Perfect. Today is the 18th. Na 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 na. Subject to review. Okay. Perfect. Brian wants a spin. Brian is like spin, 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 spin. Maybe tomorrow, Brian. Maybe easy tomorrow's. Can you look at Kato? You're looking to get in. Downtrend broken. Let's take a look. No, not broken. Definitely not broken. Yeah, definitely not broken. If you're taking an entry, you're definitely looking for more of a gamble play, right? So I would be looking for like closer to 77 to 75 is what I'd be looking for. Alrighty. And then you definitely want this thing to stay above 70 cents. If it goes below 70 cents, it's done. Garbage. Keep going, Spy. Break above. Keep going. Keep going. You're welcome. Perfect. There we go. Nice pop. Where's Troy? Troy, you see this? Boom skis. Can we get back above the that stupid 200 EMA? The stupid 200 EMA. Yeah, that looks okay. 200 EMA dance. Oh, NQ. Yeah, that would be the difference. Dan is sometimes they're different. Yeah, you might need to pull up like a spy chart and then Okay, hey bro is good to go in Discord. Samuel trading. So thank you, Dan. Thank you. Good to go. Oh yeah. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we will hop off and continue back in Discord. Alrighty. Let me know if you have any last questions. Hey bro left a message for you in Stock General, Dan. Trazy? Yeah, that thing looks nasty, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, breaking below that 23, that 23.7 is not exactly something that I want to be looking at, you know? Definitely don't like that. Definitely don't like that. Remember that cheat sheet I showed you guys in the stock terms channel? Like if you see a filing, that's what it means. In the stock terms channel, right? So a 6K basically means if the filing is material and publicly released before the PR, then will move the markets depending on severity of the events. So it looks like it's like a pre-P. I don't know, Paul. Let me know. It's like a pre-P PR like type of filing. Yeah, take a look. It's in there. Oh, seems handy. Oh, so just right click on settings. So just right click on your chart, right? Right click on settings, okay, and then right where it says canvas, right there, canvas, right? Click on that, and then it should be like watermark. You can turn it on right there. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in a bit. So just right click, empty space on your chart, click on settings, canvas, and then select watermark right there. Try and go and watch the class. Okay, sounds good, Michael. Sounds good. Good to see you, Michael. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Alrighty, sounds good. Yeah. Everything is on the struggle bus. It really is. Yeah, everything just like slowed down now. Goodwill. Yeah, I know I was supposed to tell you in the class, but I forgot. Completely forgot. Alrighty, y'all. We're gonna leave it here for today and continue in Discord. Alrighty. Be safe. And we will be in Stock General and all the other channels in Discord. So don't forget to smash a like before you go if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and become a member. And if you do become a member after the stream, just send me an email, hotradesx@gmail, or there's an invite link under the community section if you sign up for the legend or the gold level. Alrighty, those are the only two levels left. So yeah, alrighty. Much love all. Stu, I already answered your question and I said no, right? Unless you want to gamble at 4 cents, that's up to you, which is fine. Have a plan for your monies, right? Much love, Dan. Don't give back your gains, please, and thank you. Don't give back the monies, please. Alrighty. See you in Discord, Eric. Yeah. Bye. See you, Troy. Enjoy the snow. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye.